Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugin. In this video, we'll see how you can add location bookmarking for Google Maps in WordPress. Using our plugin, let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for location bookmarking for Google Maps and install this plugin. Just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro and click on Manage Maps. Now click on this pen icon. Now find the option called Info Window Message for Locations. Just click on it. Now scroll a bit, and here you have to paste this code. It will be given in video description, and you can also find this on plugin documentation page. Now just paste it. Now hit Apply Changes. Now, first let me show you how default map looks like. Now, as you can see, there is no option to bookmark locations. Now let's go back and we have to paste this code one more time. So find the option called Listing Item Skin. Just click on it. Now paste that code. Now hit Save. Now if we go back and hit Refresh, as you can see, now we have the option to save these location listings. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.